Hey YouTube, I'm back with another leatherworking video. This is another one where I drew a pattern, and I'll put a link below to download it for free. Yeah, I like doing the patterns and then testing out my patterns. You'll see in this video I did two wallets. The lighter colored one, I had some issues with it, so I had to adjust my pattern, and then I did the darker color one and I thought it came out pretty good. If you like these videos, do me a favor and like and subscribe. That would really help my channel out. I've been trying out different settings with the laser, trying to get it to where it doesn't burn and show the burn marks as much. And when I do the holes, I've been trying to get it to clean out the holes so I don't have to manually go through and clean them out. Although I find when I manually clean them out, like run a piece of thread to it, it cleans them up and gets rid of that charring. On this light color, when I first did my pattern, I did the holes a lot bigger than I would have liked for them to be, so I ended up using a 1mm thread, and I don't like the look of that, so that was one of the things that I shrunk down when I redid the pattern. Need to build an enclosure for the laser. As you can see here, it smokes a lot when you cut through the leather, and the smell stinks and it gets in your clothes. You can't get it out. So that's one of the troubles I found running the laser to cut out leather. Here's another thing I had to change on the pattern. I didn't notice it here when I was putting these together, but if I would have recut it. The lower pocket, the smaller one, doesn't go all the way down to the larger pocket. It's about 1/8 inch off. So I adjusted that to fix that problem with the pattern. The laser really stains this lighter colored leather, so that's just a warning. If you're going to cut out leather with the laser, it stains it and it's a lot harder to get off than on the darker colors. I don't get why these Zippo lighters are so popular. Seems like every time I use this thing, I have to refill it. I saw another YouTube video where someone colored the edges of their leather with a Sharpie, and I tried it, but you got to be really careful because you can slip off that edge and mark up your leather.
What are the plans tonight, Slut? Bitch, we're going out. Going where? It's a Hyra's house.
I could say I told you so. You made it up in your head. And when you tell me that it's not enough, let me slip you my address. You know I think you're cute, baby, move on me. I'll make you part of something new with the who's who. I'll hit your body with that glitter covered bedroom. Leave the rest for you to guess. All that I want, and yet I want more. Baby, don't stop, just set a new course. When it gets hot, you know I'm all yours. You can fake it, make it body when you get to my house. Wake up, make it naughty when you get to my house. 'Cause you might just got upgraded from that boy you keep on calling too much. You can pick a seventh heaven, we're not gonna go out. See you back in my house. 'Cause you might just got upgraded from that boy you keep on calling too much. You can pick a seventh heaven, we're not gonna. No matter who you know, I'm close with all of your friends. I showed them every single side of my bed. Let you figure out the rest. Not much left to do. Bring it through, honey. You'll break a heart and I say boo. Fucking who, honey? Just bring it through so you can kiss me like they do in France. Heard they're known for kissing best. All that I want, and yet I want more. Baby, don't stop, just set a new course. When it gets hot, you know I'm all yours. That's freaky. You can fake it, make it body when you get to my house. Wake up, make it naughty when you get to my house. 'Cause you might just got upgraded from that boy you keep on calling too much. You can pick a seventh heaven, we're not gonna go out. See you back in my house. 'Cause you might just got upgraded from that boy you keep on calling too much. You can pick a seventh heaven, we're not gonna go out tonight. Yeah, I see the way you look.
measuring the thread right here, I found that doing 5 times the length of what I'm stitching gives me pretty much the perfect amount of thread when I do a saddle stitch.
Why you acting like that? She walking the street like she's entitled. I was on some wavy shit, now I come through like titles. I'm coming for the title, trying to get Richie like Lionel. My brothers on some demon time, but they always treat us like disciples. Rockstar life, I ain't stopping till I make it. No one's gonna give it to me, I just gotta take it. Been a lot of things, most of all I've been patient. If I get a shot, ain't gonna waste it. No. You ain't popping till they hate you. Pop two, baby, I just had a breakthrough. Brand new, yeah, look at what the cake do. If you don't have it like that, why you acting like that? You ain't popping till they hate you. Pop two, baby, I just had a breakthrough. Brand new, yeah, look at what the cake do. If you don't have it like that, why you acting like that? I don't see this getting old. We crossed the line like the shit was Abbey Road. Ain't rockin' silver anymore. I've been out here going for the gold. Pull up, 2 sauce, switched up, your loss. They got bottles, whoa, but they still ain't poppin' though. We up, they know, 1 shot, KO. You ain't down the road, then I think it's time to go. You ain't poppin' till they hate you.
I worked until about midnight on this wallet. This is my last set of stitching, but my brain stopped working and I stitched it wrong, so I took out the threads, tried it again, stitched it wrong again, took out the threads, tried for a 3rd time, and I messed it up again, and I just couldn't figure out how I was stitching it. So the bad thing was that was the last of my 0.6 millimeter thread. The only thing I had left in that color was a 0.8 millimeter thread. This is the following morning, and thankfully I remembered how to do the stitching, so I used the 0.8 millimeter thread to do the final side. But when I was done, you could tell that the other side didn't match. So I took out all the threads on that side and redid it so it would match. Probably shouldn't have worked on this so late the previous night. All the work I did, I had to redo in the morning. Like and subscribe if you like this video. I'd like to keep doing more leather videos and drawing more patterns. Thanks.